Hey girls, what's up? Welcome back. So today I want to show you this set that I did, and it was inspired by the withered flowers in the back. Actually, I really liked the brownie gold on the ends of the flowers, even though they're like dying. But I wanted to kick this video off with an unboxing. This is just a little gift they sent in the box. But I got this collection like 2 months ago when my phone and everything crashed and I had to reprogram my app and everything was just a mess. But I've had this sitting here for quite a while and I didn't want to just unbox it. I already knew what it looked like, but I didn't want to unbox it without showing you guys because I feel like this is like a really cute collection and people need to know about it. As you know, if you're new here, you probably don't know, but the OGs probably know I love Korean and Japanese gel polishes. Like, I find that the quality of their polishes are so top tier. These bottles are so cute. I have so many of these now. I love it. But I've been replacing most of my enail stuff with Korean products and Korean gel polishes. So I've also switched out my enail stuff for 123 Go, like the tips and stuff with a Prey. So I purchased a lot of stuff in that aspect. And I still have like a shit ton of products that obviously I'm still going to be using, and like the brushes and stuff I still have, and like a whole bunch of other stuff. But honestly, girls, I'm not going to be linking their products in my videos anymore. I'm also not going to be, obviously you're going to see the products, you know what I mean? But I'm not going to go out of my way to let you know what it is or whatever. And I'm not trying to be catty. It's just how they did me was really dirty and shady, and I don't stand for that. But anyways, back to this super cute collection. I'm obsessed with this. I love how they send a color board. That really is everything to me. You know what I mean? Besides the quality of these, like honestly, I did one of my friend's nails just to do them. I always do my friend's nails. If you've been here a while, you know that. In March, beginning of March, and her polish is still on. That's how good this polish is. Like, obviously your prep and the products you use and stuff like that have a lot to play in it. And this collection honestly was only $37. I couldn't believe it. And all the collections that I got were in that price range. I think the most expensive one was like $50 something, and even that's still a good price. Like, you can't even get 5 polishes for that price. So, and not good quality too, right? Like, anyways, obsessed. Can't wait to display this in my nail room, which is freaking under construction right now because I still have a lot of nail stuff in my storage room downstairs that I've brought upstairs to set up in there. And I had it all set up, and then I remembered I still had a few bins that I had to go through. And there was a huge color board that I'm going to show you right now, and it's called Little Bear, and it's like a 268 piece collection, and a bunch of the like little swatch things fell out, and I had to put them back in, and it was just like a disaster. But this whole board takes up like my whole back wall, so I had to move all the stuff that I had displayed there and put it somewhere else. And yeah, but anyways, I want to show you and put you on these nail files. So the first time I ever seen this was from my PR package from 5 Angeles. Then I found these in Young Nails. Obsessed. So this drill I'm using is from a PR package that I did recently. Like, I think it was like my last video I did. It was just an unboxing. I didn't actually use it. But I don't mind the drill, other than it does have like a high-pitched noise when you're drilling on the nails. And I don't know if it's because I haven't used it on nails yet, or it was on plastic. I don't know. I have no idea. I have to do further investigation on that, but it did have a high-pitched noise. With that being said, I will still leave the link in the unboxing video that I did with this drill down below in the description box, and you can check it out for yourself. I know they have this drill in pink and red. I'm not sure what other colors they have it in. But like I said, I don't know. I have to do a further investigation. I'm going to try it on acrylic to see too. And if you want to see acrylic videos, let me know. I just have to set it up outside because I cannot be doing acrylic in the house with my son smelling and breathing that in. The colors I'm using, the pink is such a pretty pink, and it's from the Little Bear collection. And The nude is from the brand called Jello Jello, and I can't remember if I got it from sweetienailsupply or Zillaboo, but I'll leave those links for the discount code down below in the description box so you can save. I think it's 10%. I think you can save on their website. Sweetie Nail Supply, I'm not an affiliate with them. It's just a discount code for you guys to save money. But Zillaboo, I do make a small commission off it, and it's like so small. It's like I think 5%. So if you don't want to use my code because you don't want me to get the commission, that's fine. You can just go on their website and purchase that way. It's fine with me. But I just wanted to like give you that disclaimer so you're not feeling like you're making me any kind of money, or you know what I mean. Like, I want to be transparent about it. And any of the codes that I do have that I am an affiliate with, that I do make a commission with, I will put affiliate beside so that you're aware. And if you don't want to support me that way, that's totally cool with me. I'm so irritated because there was northern lights. Like, you were able to see the northern lights last night, and I missed it. I was up and everything, and I didn't even like remember that it was happening. So annoyed with myself. Like, I love seeing stuff like that. I love nature and like the world beauty, you know? Like, I really love the sky for some reason. I love the sky and like the different sunsets and stuff. Anyways, the Frenches that I'm doing on here were kind of pointless because they get covered up anyways and you can't even see it. But yeah, I'm using a bunch of different stuff to create this set. I'll try to link everything that I'm using besides certain things that you already are aware of. But there's stickers that I got years ago. And I'm going to be using those. Those are the gold ones. And then the transfer foils, you can get those anywhere. The bling, I'm pretty sure you can get off like any site these days. Like Shein, Temu, those two sites I've never honestly purchased from. Never in my life have I purchased from Shein or Temu. I would like to try Shein or Temu, but like I'm scared that I get too like hooked on it because it's so cheap, and then I just be buying all this stuff all the time, and I just don't want to do that. I honestly have been refraining from purchasing a lot of things other than like the certain things I told you about already, and that's not even like a lot. Like, I've bought things to replace other things, but it's not like I'm going crazy. And like the collection that I showed you guys earlier that I purchased, the ice cream one, that's like the only thing that I've actually bought in a long time, because I have other priorities like my son, feeding my son. Groceries are hella expensive, bills are hella expensive, so I'm trying to just put priorities first. And like, that's the one thing I told myself, is that I'm going to be using the products I have instead of buying other things. Like, I know I bought the ice cream collection, but like, what is that? That's nothing. Like, I used to go crazy with the products, like buying all the time. If you go back in my videos, like I was always buying shit. So now I'm just like, no, I'm going to use what I have, you know what I'm saying, and work with what I got. And then when that's done, I'll like get something else. But like, I have so much stuff that I need to go through that I've never even used, like brand new. So I need to be more restricted when it comes to purchasing things, because girl, shit's getting out of control. I want to do an updated room tour video once I can get it all together again, because like I said, it's kind of under construction right now. Renovations, I guess you could say, because I have like shit everywhere, and it's just, I hate it when it's like that. Like, I don't even want to go in there because it's so crazy. So I'm doing this at my kitchen table right now. How do you guys like this view? I don't know if you like the view or not. I feel like you can't really see anything, but let me know. And if you don't like it, I won't do it again. I'll do it from overhead like I was before. So I'm going to finish my design and let you guys just watch. I'll be back at the end to show you guys the final look. So here is the final look of the set. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Give this video a like and a comment to show some support and love, girl. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.